What's up guys, my name is Andrew. I like to help men improve themselves, and in today's video I'd like to share with you how to start gratitude journaling or how to be more grateful in your life, because I really think that it's something important and it's necessary for our own personal growth, in my opinion. And we can't grow if we are not grateful for the things that we have and the people that are around us. So we have to develop some sense of gratitude so that we can take control over our lives and we can have a positive impact and we can experience the positive impact that gratitude has. So basically you can gratitude journal whenever you like, okay? It is the most efficient when you do it when you feel like shit. When you're depressed, you're anxious, you are maybe upset on your parents, you're angry, might be anything, okay? Literally gratitude journaling can put you in a state of gratitude and you're gonna be so much grateful instead of being angry, mad and all those things, okay? It's really important that you practice gratitude, because without gratitude we are not gonna grow. We are not gonna grow as a person, and gratitude is really important. So basically how you start is that some people say that I'm gonna gratitude on my phone, I'm gonna write it on my phone. Don't do it, okay? Stop doing it. I know you're addicted to your phone and you like your phone. Maybe it costs you like, let's say $100, whatever. I don't care. Okay, grab an actual journal, okay? Buy an actual journal and an actual pen and then start gratitude journaling, okay? So basically this is my main journal. You can write it here, main journal. So nothing huge. But so basically what you do is you take on your pen and you can write like this date. So for example 25th of July, but for you it might be different, okay? This video will be uploaded later on, so you're gonna see later, but that doesn't matter, okay? So I'm gonna write down 25th of July, and now you just write down things that you are grateful for, okay? You can do it in points, so I'm just writing little dots and then I write the thing that I'm grateful for each of these points, okay? So first, really just think deeply what you might be grateful for. It could be even the little things, okay? Sometimes little things matter the most, and so you want to be grateful for those as well. For example, I'm grateful for this chair. Like sometimes you're really gonna feel weird doing this, okay? I'm not gonna lie, but this is just how it is. So I'm grateful for this chair that I can sit on it. The beauty about journaling is that you can really write also with humor, so it can be fun for you as well. If you can write with humor and put it down on the paper and actually be in this state of gratitude, I think that's a beautiful experience. I'm literally crying. I'm happy right now and that I'm able to share this with you, because I think gratitude journaling is just something really amazing. Okay, so next could be I'm grateful for my hat, that it's protecting my hair from sun damage. Simple things like that, okay? Here is the hat. Next up, I'm grateful for my mother, that she took care of me when I was a child and that she took care of the finances in this house. As a family, we had some like financial problems and it was not great when I was growing up. Even when my sister was growing up, it was not great. So I'm grateful that she took care of the finances of this family and that now I'm able to live in this house that we have. I've also started repairing this house because I care about this house. I'm glad that she bought it and that we can live here peacefully. It's a really peaceful place, I'm not gonna lie. We have a garden. I'm sitting literally in the garden right now. Here is my room behind this door and behind this window. So yeah, that's basically gratitude journaling, okay? And you can write about literally whatever you want, okay? You can be grateful for your spoon. You can be grateful for your garden. You can be grateful for your flower in your room. Doesn't matter, okay? You can be grateful for whatever you want. And I think that's really important, that we can be grateful for things, because if we are grateful, then we can experience the gratitude feeling and the gratitude statement. and when we are in it after, then we can take action on our real goals, we can accomplish them. So I think that's really important that we learn this. And for example, when you write down about some person that you're grateful for, some person, just like I wrote down about my mother, that I'm grateful for my mother, that she took care of the finances, like actually told her, okay, like go to her room and tell her that you're grateful for her, that you are grateful that she took care of the family and she took care of the finances. That's really important that we let those other people know, because one day they might not be there, you might not be there, and throughout the lifetime I think it's important that we let people know about the things that we want them to know. That's all from me in today's video. I think you've learned something from this lesson about gratitude journaling, and I hope that you know how to gratitude journal right now. So I think it's a really important practice when it comes to accomplishing your personal goals and your overall goals. So don't be afraid to start gratitude journaling and do it as often as you can, because if you're not able to accomplish your goals, then gratitude journaling will definitely help you with that. So from me in today's video, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace, guys.